Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making another keto recipe which is goat liver. We all eat a lot of different kinds of meats, but everybody needs a change once in a while, so why not try out the organ meats? I have grown up eating all these organ meats, for example liver, brain, gizzards, kidneys. So in India, the hardcore non-vegetarian people do not waste any part of the animal, almost. So we don't eat the tongue in India, but other than that, I think most of the parts were traditionally eaten. Now modern man has so much meat available to them that this culture has gone away. But liver is still one of the popular things that is eaten in India, and I'd like to share a wonderful recipe with you. This recipe can be eaten with any kind of bread, a flat Indian bread or even the normal bread slices. You can make a sandwich out of it and eat it. So let's go ahead and make it. So I have two pieces of liver here which I have soaked in milk and kept because it gets rid of all the smells. So this milk is going to be thrown away and I'm going to chop the livers in small pieces. I want it in long pieces, so I'm going to do that. So you want this kind of piece. Of course you can cut it any which way that you like. I just want to give it a larger surface area. You want to make sure that you cook it at a high flame. So I'm going to use a cast iron pan and I'm going to cook it at a high flame so it browns on the outside and is still tender on the inside. So we have a scorching hot pan here. I'm going to add ghee to this, so about a tablespoon of ghee. To this I'm adding all my liver. You want to cook it at a high temperature. This is the brown color that you want to see. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So about half a teaspoon of salt, but go according to how salty your salt is. Now we have nice browning here. I'm going to take it out. And then we are going to add some onions. This is the liver. About 3/4 of a cup of onions. Water to deglaze the pan. A heaped teaspoon of garlic paste. You can add chopped garlic. I just had paste made at home, so I just added that. And you want to cook it down so that the raw flavor of the garlic is. Some more water because garlic paste has a tendency to just stick to the pan, so I want to just clean the pan. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm adding some chili paste. It's completely optional. I'm adding water from time to time just to deglaze the pan. I don't want to lose any of the flavor. And the main heat comes from the black pepper. So liver is always cooked with a lot of black pepper, so which is what I'm adding. So I've added the liver back into the pan, into the masala, and then added some coriander. And our dish is ready. I'm going to plate it and taste it and let you guys know how it turned out. So here we are with our liver. It's ready. So I'm ready to give it a try. Yum. Yum. Guys, it was really good. I really liked it. So the liver was soft from inside and almost like caramelized from outside. And the brown bits gave it a different depth of flavor. I think cooking it at a high temperature helped a lot. I think that's the best way to cook it, where it keeps the inside of the liver tender and the outside is brown. The onions give it a slight sweet taste. This would be great with a nice jeera cauliflower rice. I will surely share that recipe soon, a knockoff of a jeera rice. So go ahead and see that video too, and go ahead and try this recipe. It's simple, it doesn't smell bad at all. It's a food which is high in iron. It's great for children. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. I love to read your comments, so please write. And if you like this recipe, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for many more recipes like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.